Welcome to the project demonstration of battery management system along with fire protection in electrical vehicles. So here the main requirement and purpose of this project is as we know that nowadays total EV vehicles are booming now, and the EV vehicles main powered up by the battery packs. So there are number of batteries are connected in series and parallel to get the sufficient voltage and current. And whenever we are charging and discharging the batteries, means when we are charging the batteries when they are discharged, and when you are utilizing the battery power for the EV vehicle purpose, in between these two, if anything goes wrong, or the battery pack is getting heat up, or the battery voltage is not charging properly, or is not providing sufficient current, then we need to monitor these parameters continuously. Without that, the battery life will decreased and it will charging us more, as the battery packs are more effective and costly in our electrical vehicles. Okay, and the next here the battery management system will be achieved by this Arduino Nano board, which is used to continuously measuring the battery pack voltage while charging and discharging. So while charging, if the battery pack is continuously charging within the time, means as we know that, for example, when we connect our mobile phone to the power adapter, so then in 1 minute we may get around 2% of charging. Same here, the system coded with 1 amp of current which is providing from this transformer, which is the charging circuits for the battery pack, then the battery voltage should be increased normally. And if it is not increasing normal rating, then the SOC, that is the state of charging, will be decreases from 100% to 90%, 80%. That will represent the battery charging status. Same for the SOH, this is a state of health. So when we connect the load to the battery pack, this load will take the power from this battery pack. Then the voltage should not drop drastically, it should drop slowly. Then the SOH values will be nearby 100, otherwise it comes down from 90 and 80. So that will indicate the battery can't provide the maximum power for the load. So this SOC SOH calculation was achieved and calculated displayed on the LCD screen. At the same time, the system will provide us the audible alerts to the buzzer whenever temperature of this battery pack increased normally. Before going to fire accident occurred, then the battery temperature will be increased if anything goes wrong inside the battery pack. Then it will provide us the audible alert, as well as coolant fan will get switched on. And there we are using the two electromagnetic relays to charging the battery pack in faster manner and normal charging manner. So using these selection switches, we can do the selection of this charging mode. Coming to the components, this is a DC motor which is acting as a load, and this one is a current sensor, audible alert buzzer, and two electromagnetic relays for charging, normal charging and fast charging. This is a regular power supply board which is used to provide the power supply throughout the kit, as well as charging voltage to the battery pack through the relays. And this is a transistor board to on and off this fan whenever the temperature increases the threshold value. And the selection switch mode, and this one is the voltage sensor to measure the voltage of this battery pack continuously, and LCD display to show the status, and Arduino UNO board. So let us see the demonstration. So welcome message will be displayed on the LCD screen initially. Let me reset this. Right. Right. Okay. Welcome to the project. And then it will display the initially voltage and 0.00 milliamps of current and temperature. In the next screen, SOC values. So for SOC SOH values, it will take around 10-15 seconds time gap to measure the voltage levels from the threshold values. Right now we got the SOC is 100% and SOH is a 94%. Okay, so when you want to make the battery low voltage fault, just we are isolating this. In real time, if the battery voltage is less than 8 volts, then automatically it will provide us the audible alerts. Right. So now we made the fault of low battery voltage as the battery gets switched on. Just press the switch, fast charging mode, as the two relays got switched on. And again, when it is coming to normal, then automatically it will be off. As the voltage is more than 11 volts, then only these relays will get switched off. Till that, it's keep on charging the battery pack. And coming to the temperature, So when it crosses the 43 degrees centigrades, then automatically a buzzer gets switched on, as well as we can see the fan also, cooling fan also gets switched on, which will acting as a exhaust. Right, when it is again the temperature coming to normal, then automatically the fan will be off. And coming to the current, when the load was connected, then you can see the 190 milliamps of current will be achieved by the DC motor, which we are using here. Right. Okay. So in this manner, the safety and precautions will be achieved by using this system in order to provide the battery management system along with fire protection. Thank you.